Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to deposit money in your Revolut account. So there are plenty of options or methods that you can use to deposit money in your Revolut account. So we have a bank transfer, linking your account, debit or credit with Apple or Google Pay, direct deposit and early salary, and with a cash deposit. So how do you deposit money in your Revolut account? So to add money to your Revolut account, first you need to choose the currency you wish to add, and then tap on the plus add money in your home screen, and then you can choose from one of the following methods. So for bank transfer, use your account details to make a transfer to Revolut. So yeah, just input your banking details and then you can now perform a bank transfer. Second, by linking your account. So link your bank account directly in app for easy transfers to Revolut. And then you can use debit or credit. So choose the currency and enter the card details. Some card types might incur a fee, and yeah, with Apple or Google Pay, instead of card details, quickly add the money with your selected service. And yeah, learn more about adding money with Google and Apple Pay by just reading this article here. And then with a direct deposit early salary, ask for your salary to be paid directly to your Revolut account, so you can ask the people or your client to make them deposit your salary in your Revolut account. And then lastly, with a cash deposit, deposit cash at one of our authorized retailers. So yeah, so just go to this website right here, help.revolut.com, and then there are articles right here which will give you more more in-depth or more detail on how you can add money to your Revolut account. So for bank transfer, just click on this article right here, and then it will provide you the steps on how you can transfer money in your Revolut account by bank transfer. Same goes with your linked account or by linking your account. Same also goes with debit or credit. Same goes with Apple or Google Pay, with direct deposit and early salary, and with cash deposit. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to transfer or deposit money in your Revolut account. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.